Hey guys, this is my bike. I'm going to be doing a bike check for you today. I'm going to start off, I guess, by taking the camera in so you can actually see. We got Fit Dakota Roche grips. They're pretty sick grips. Yeah, good grips, real nice and sticky, the way I like it. I had Aron Ross grips on before, and don't get me wrong, Aron Ross is amazing, but they really stretched a lot, and I cut the flanges off because I don't want to be a queer. Yeah, so there are those Fit bar ends, came with the grips. Got this stock brake lever. I was going to get an Odyssey small lever, but didn't have any in my bike shop. Next, let's just go to the frame. It's a Fit Street 1 Edwin De La Rosa 2010. Pretty good solid frame. It's a Fit, so to be expected. Fit Bikeco tires, pretty sweet tires, I gotta say. I like them. They run really nice in the park. Real smooth tire. And that's front and rear, by the way. I have I don't know if you can see it, but that there is a Fit down low sprocket. Move it over here. And you have the Fit cranks. At the end of those is the Odyssey Twisted PC pedal. As you can see, it is indeed twisted. I have the Fit and Boss seat. Put it up a little on a little angle, so it looks a little cooler. So stock cranks and stock pegs, stock brakes. I want to run brakeless, but there's a lot of hills where I live, so I don't know if that's a good idea. Full Kamali front forks. Well, there is no such thing as right now. That was stupid. Never mind. Full Kamali forks. What else? Oh yes, this big ass stem. I want to get an Elementary V3 stem, so I probably will do that later. I effed up my back rim because my brake pads are stock and pretty shitty. But you know, gives the bike a wear feeling to it. Makes it look cool. And yeah, guys. Oh yes, these are the shoes that I ride my bike with. Lakai Manchester Selects and Lakai Carol Selects. They both have the same grip on the bottom. I absolutely love this grip. It's amazing. I'll just show you here. Sticks to the pedal really nice. Even though it is a skate shoe, still pretty sick. So anyway guys, thanks for watching my bike check, and stay tuned for more running videos in the future when all this snow goes. I don't know if you can see it, but when that snow goes, I'll be out riding. Okay guys.